meatloaf. Ingredients: 2 pounds of lean ground beef, 1 small diced or chopped onion, ½ cup of cleanly diced bell pepper, optional, 1½ bag of crushed Ritz crackers, 4 ounces shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 3 medium eggs, ½ cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. For the topping: ½ cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/4 cup mustard. Directions: prepare and set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix brown sugar, mustard, and ketchup in a small bowl and keep it aside. Now beat eggs in a large bowl and add cheese, crackers, milk, salt, onion, bell pepper, and black pepper, then mix well. Stir in the ground and mix just enough to combine the beef mixture. Spread the beef mixture in a loaf pan, lined with parchment paper. Bake the loaf for 30 minutes, approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the ketchup topping over the meatloaf and bake it for another 30 to 40 minutes. Allow it to cool, then slice. Serve fresh.